don't wanna hear say they were wrong. Ooh, cause I don't wanna see. Got to give me drums.
Hey guys, my name is Queenobi, and I don't even know why it's froze there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, oh my god, yo, welcome my people, welcome Obi gang. I don't know if I should name it Obi gang or Obi-Wan Kenobis. Tell me in the comment section below what you think I should name you guys. But sincerely, like, I'm feeling this red shirt, feeling my red lipstick, literally feeling myself, aka feeling myself. But today, but it's not about me, but actually gonna be doing some tech review. So basically, I told you guys I want to lose some weight because a girl has gained some lot of weight in this COVID, right? Because literally I work from home, I do everything from home, and I like the only time I go out is when I'm going grocery shopping. That's it. Or giving to the homeless, like, because me and my siblings and my family, we do this every Friday slash Saturdays. If you can't do it on Friday, do it on Saturday. And every Friday slash Saturday, we do this feed the homeless thing. So we obviously, like, so apart from that, like, I'm always at home doing work or or watching TV or relaxing or sleeping. So of course all the food I'm eating and everything, and I eat, my favorite foods are rice, bread and spaghetti. That's like literally all I eat. So you can see, like, it's all carbs, right? So things needs to be changed because a girl is getting some weight that I don't feel like I need to gain, or I actually do need to reduce. So basically all this talk is to tell you guys that I got me a workout band. I don't know if you guys can see it. Show yourself. A workout band is actually very cute. I bought it in a purple band color. So now let me show you guys. So this is the company name. They're obviously not paying me for this, but I've heard a lot of things about them. So they are called the Lintelek fitness tracker. So this is the fitness tracker, and in the back, right, let me see if you guys can see it. Come on, focus. So in the back right here, let me see if I can show you guys. So in the back, you see where it says the heart rate monitor, right? So you know what, I'll just put it to you guys. So in the back, you see the heart rate monitor optional, and it says active tracking, secondary reminder, auto data sync, auto sleep tracking, call alerts, message alert, and alarm. So based on the review I've gotten from people, because me, I'm one person that I like to read reviews before I buy something, so that I don't get caught off guard, So basically they told me that the auto sleep tracking, the alarm, the heart rate monitor, and the active tracking is very accurate. And they said a little bit accurate when it comes to messages and call, a little bit accurate. Because you know why I said that? Because my time right now is 4:06 because I'm in Texas, but it's giving me like North Carolina time. When I was in North Carolina, it's giving me 5:06, and that is not right. So maybe when I download the app, because it has the app, so maybe like when I download the app, I'll be able to like change the time. I'm not sure what that would do for me, but basically that is what I'm trying to do. So basically, let's open the package. I've already opened it, I'm already using it already, but I just want to show you guys that this is very good, and it's very cheap. It's very affordable too. It's like $26 or $27. I bought it from Amazon, and normally I'm not going to bash any company here, but I used to get the Fit Fam. Is it called the Fit Fam, or what is it called? The Fit Fam, right? Fit Fam tracker. I think that's what it called. I'm not too sure, but that one, it cost like $1.99, almost $2.99. There was some that were $2.99, $1.99. dollar, and I will buy it, and it won't even last for 3 months or 2 months, and everything will just spoil. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I want to try this one. Based on the review, they say it's very good. So if it's not that good, I will tell you guys in my community section. I'll let you guys know because I don't play that kind of game. We are real over here. Anyways, I've been using it and it's been accurate for me, but then I don't know about other people. Based on the review again, people say they love it. They love it a lot because it's money. You can save a lot of money with it. So when you open the box, this is the way mine came in, right? So it comes with like a menu. Let me see if you guys can see it. Come on. God damn. Okay, it comes with a menu where it gives you like direction on what to do. It shows you guys how to plug your the tracker, because you have to actually like plug the battery. So it has a USB battery thing. Let me even take it out, but it takes forever to like pull out the rubber, like forever. That's how strong it is. And I think this right here, come on, focus. Yeah, so I think this right here is a steel. And then they give you like a prize or a code thing that you can use to win. So basically, it just gives you like direction. That's like literally all that came in. And when it comes to the box, the handles come here and the tracker thing comes here. So that's it. That's basically it. So let me show you guys. Let me take it out of my hands and I'll show you guys exactly how it is. So hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see. So this is how it looks like, right? It looks really, really small and cute. This is the way the back looks like. Even at the back, it shows you like over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. If it's, come on. But it shows you that you can, like here is where you plug out for the USB cord. And over here, you can see like there's a click right here that you can use to click your time, your tracking, your heart rate, your walking, your jogging. This one is also bicycle. So you just click here and it shows you like everything that you need to know. Running, walking, or heart rate and the rest. So it's actually like very nice. It's actually very nice. It looks expensive, but it's not expensive. It's actually like money. You can save a lot of money from it. So if you guys want to buy it, maybe I can do like Amazon equipment, like my lightings, my camera, my ring light, because I have like a lot of lightings. You know, like things that I bought from Amazon that is actually very necessary for every YouTube user to have. So if you guys want me to actually do that, leave a comment section, leave a comment down below, and I would actually put everything that I bought from Amazon all together. And if you guys purchase, you know, from whatever I've gotten, I'll probably get on the what do you call it? Is it affiliation link, or I'll get some commission shares, something like that from Amazon. So tell me guys what you guys, what you guys think about it. If you want to save a lot of money and you want to track your everyday exercise, buy it. Based on 1 or 2 or 3 of my friends and also me, it's actually very accurate for me. Okay, anyways, if you guys love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, like subscribe, comment, and click the bell button so you can get some, a lot of my notifications when I upload. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Don't miss me too much. Mwah.